Yeah, I know a lot of doctors. Some have good clinical judgment, some have good surgical skills, some have great charisma, some have a lot of popularity. But some doctors like Rajnesh have all the four put together. So I have known Rajnesh for the past 20 years or more, and I'm proud to be a good friend of his.
Talking about him, man, it's so difficult to put words together. He's a small package by himself. It's a God's gift to all his friends, and to me especially. I have been associated with him for more than 3 decades, and I couldn't find anything to say that he is not good or anything like that. He has been fantastic, and over the years he has evolved into a much better person. As of now, he is a great guy as a friend to our whole group and whomever he meets with. Whatever descriptions we make will be less. I don't want to forget saying something about his parents, because his characters have been acquired from 2 great parents whom I have seen for decades not getting angry or saying a word. So his character was built on 2 great people, and he has been evolving, and he is evolving into to emulate them in future. I would end by saying that Prasanna, or we call her by name Pachi, who has been the stabilizing factor to his whole character or his life. Thank you.
Hi Rajnesh, it's nearly 2 decades since we met. I like everything you do. You're a true all-rounder, be it professional, family man, time for friends, and everything you do. One particular thing I remember, and then I always like to do but I'm not able to do, is once we met in a corridor, hospital corridor, and then you said, let's go and see Mr. Narayan Patel's son. So both of us went and then met his child. Then Mr. Narayan Patel said, Dr. Saab, itna time leke aaye hain. Then you said one sentence, I always remember it in my life. You said, Narayan Saab, time kahin nahi milta, time ko nikalna padta hai. So I wish to take time out, but I was never able to do it. You always take time for everything, and then I see many times you visiting so many friends and attending function till late 11, 12 also. Wish you many more decades of good professional family life. All the best.
I'm Dr. Venkatesh, dental surgeon at the hospital. It's an honor to talk about Rajnesh for the reason he fits into the Apollo tagline of medical excellence with human touch, because he always thinks in the perspective of a patient, what the patient is going through, and has a lot of empathy for the patient. Is a complete person. He's a good friend, a good family man, and a good doctor. So he compartmentalizes the whole thing, so he doesn't mix us. That's the reason he's a very happy and contented man. I always keep telling my juniors that you have to be a good human being to be a good doctor. May God bless him with a good, healthy and happy life. Good luck, Rajnesh.
Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. I am Sister Mary. I have been working with Dr. Rajnesh Reddy for a long time, and it is a great pleasure. And his hard work, dedication and patience are really appreciable. I hope God continues to shower His blessings on him. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
I am Sister Elizabeth. I am working with Sir since long time. Everyone says knowledge is power, but no, having the wisdom to apply knowledge, only that is powerful. He cooperates with us, he teaches and helps us always.
నమస్తే, నా పేరు రవిరాజు, ఓటీ టెక్నీషియన్. 20 years నుంచి సార్ దగ్గర వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను. సార్ చాలా కోఆపరేటివ్, చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్. సార్ ఏదైనా తప్పు ఉంటే మాకు క్లియర్గా చెప్తారు. సార్ ఏదైనా మంచిగా వర్క్ చేస్తే అప్రిషియేట్ చేస్తారు. సారు ఆరోగ్యాలు ఉండాలని దేవుని ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాను.
My name is Nukal Manmohan Reddy. I am popularly known as Captain N.M. Reddy because of my long service as an airline captain. We happen to know Dr. Rajnesh Reddy of Apollo Hospital for a long time as a family friend. I went and consulted Dr. Rajnesh Reddy. That was an excellent diagnosis done by this young doctor. Today I am able to lead a perfectly normal life. And Dr. Rajnesh Reddy, I happened to meet his father. I told him, your son saved my life. Dr. Rajnesh is a humble person. He is a person of great humility, not given to drum his own trumpets. So I wish him well, and I wish his family all the success and very great success. And I will tell Rajnesh, go. That's it.
Well, many of you may not know me, and therefore I should tell that my name is Y.L. Nene, and I retired from ICRISAT as the Deputy Director General. It is my pleasure to talk about Dr. Rajnesh, whom I have known for more than 25 years, and as a doctor I have been observing Dr. Rajnesh. He once did my small surgery, and at that time and onwards I have been closely watching him, and I am not surprised that he has become a successful doctor, not only because he is good in his profession, but also because he has the right attitudes which most patients expect from a doctor, and that is patience. He is very polite. Whenever he promises something, he sticks to promise, and as a human being, he is a wonderful person. I have been very fond of him, and I would like to wish him all the best in his life, because he deserves successes in his life.
Hi, I am Ajendra Prasad, architect, Ajumiyan to Raju. Raju and I have been friends since more than about 3.5 decades. We studied together, and this guy hasn't changed one bit. This old man, who looks very old now, is pretty young at heart and very naughty too. But he is a real friend, and I know I can depend on him always. He is just there for me whenever I need him. I wish Raju a wonderful future ahead. Hats off to you, buddy. Great knowing you as a friend always. Take care.
Hi, this is Dr. Babu from Bangalore, a friend of Rajnesh since the last 35 years and a batchmate in Ramaya Medical College. We had a great life together, and Rajnesh is one of the coolest guys I ever known. You know, it's so humble that it's unbelievable at times. That's why he's a great surgeon today. I just wish him luck. Good luck, Rajnesh. Take care and continue being blessed. Bye.
Rajnesh is not only a dear friend, but a wonderful doctor who is just one phone call away. I keep ragging him that he should be a counselor because talking to him is like a stress buster and it removes my anxiety, and not only me, but I've seen him dealing with other patients too. What I appreciate most in him is his utmost confidentiality. I'm indeed fortunate to have true friends like Rajnesh and his charming wife Pachi, who is my childhood buddy. As the old saying goes, Vaidyo Narayano Harihi, a noble doctor is equivalent to God. Rajnesh, keep the good work going. Kudos and all the very best to you.
My name is Shailaja. I'm the sister of Dr. Rajnesh Reddy. Being the eldest in the family, he's been a good brother and he was always there for me, and we grew up as friends. He was very protected by all three of us. We are three sisters. I wish him all the best for his good future and protect him from everything, all the diseases also, because he always being a weak child in our family, and God bless him.
Dr. Rajnesh is truly a living legend. He has touched so many lives silently and smilingly. We are truly blessed to have him as an important member of our family. We are very proud of all his achievements. May God bless him in all his future endeavors.
Congratulations, Papa. So proud of you. Love you.
Congratulations, so proud of you. Don't know anyone else who deserves this more than you. No matter where we go, at least one of your patients comes up to you to say how thankful and grateful you are. So again, so proud. So sorry I couldn't be there. Lots of love. See you soon. Bye.
Rajnesh is one of the finest surgeons in the world. He's got healing hands and he's relieved the pain of thousands and thousands of patients. If Susruta was alive today, even he would be proud of Rajnesh. So Apollo, you should be not only glad that he's with you, but extremely proud of this fine man.